period of Kairos, maybe a little bit of payback, but this is not slowing. This is not going to go much longer.
Isa sa inabangan ngayon ng mga boxing fans itong pagbabalik aksyon ng tubong Panabo City ang dating IBF Super Flyweight Champion na si Jerwin Ancahas, na kilala rin bilang Pretty Boy. Unang naging world champion si Ancahas nang talunin niya si Macjo Arroyo. Matagumpay niyang nadepensahan ang kanyang titulo ng 9 na beses bago natalo sa Argentinian boxer na si Fernando Martinez via unanimous decision. Gayunpaman, muling pinatunayan ni Ancahas na kaya pa niyang maging world champion sa bantamweight division. Pinabagsak ang mas malaking si Wilner Soto sa round 5. Dahil dito nabigyan si Ancahas ng WBA Bantamweight Championship, ngunit natalo kontra sa Hapong si Takuma Inoue. Ngayong September 22, 2024, muling magbabalik si Ancahas sa ring kontra sa veteranong Thai warrior na si Supraset Punpitak. Ito ay magiging co-main event sa laban ng WBC Minimum-Weight Champion na si Melvin Jerusalem kontra sa Mexican challenger na si Luis Castillo, na gaganapin sa Mandaluyong City College Gym sa ilalim ng promosyon ng 8th Division World Champion na si Manny Pacquiao. Hindi magiging madali ang laban para kay Ancahas dahil si Punpitak ay may 30 na panalo at 20 dito ay via knockouts. Bago ang laban ng Punpitak versus Ancahas, balikan natin ang unang comeback fight ni Ancahas kontra sa Colombian boxer na si Wilner Soto na ginanap sa Armories sa Minneapolis sa Amerika.
Left cross from Ancahas, down goes Soto in the period of Ancahas, maybe a little bit of payback, but this is not slowing. This is not going to go much longer.
Sa unang round, mainit na kaagad ang palitan ng suntok ng dalawang boksingero kung saan si Ancahas ang naka-white red trunks.
It is part of a plan for Ancahas. According to Manny Pacquiao Promotions President Sean Gibbons, pound-for-pound king and 3-division champion Naoya Inoue, Wilner Soto, promoted by Manny Pacquiao. He's got, speed. Never a bad time watching this guy put on the gloves and get after it.
No, I mean, and for many.
Sean Gibbons, pound-for-pound king and 3-division champion Naoya Inoue. But big business here for Ancahas, whether it's
Colombia, many times in the last 10 years. I have never been to Canales. By the way, most of the boxing in Colombia is on the coast.
Sure.
So I'm guessing this is probably somewhere relatively close to that.
Big body shot from
Yeah,
big business here for Ancahas. He's had trouble making weight at 115. It's been a struggle. Coming back for a title at 118. Let's see Ancahas in white and red trunks. His opponent in green is Wilner Soto, looking for his first victory since 2019.
Tuloy ang aksyon dito sa round 2 kung saan hirap si Ancahas hulihin itong magalaw na si Soto.
According to Manny Pacquiao Promotions President Sean Gibbons, pound-for-pound king and 3-division champion Naoya Inoue. But big business here for Ancahas.
And that just makes you significantly easier to time. Coined the term rhythm step.
In the mixed martial arts. A slow start here to round 2 in this 100.
And both
here for Ancahas, picking apart mostly the body, some good clean headshots here along the ropes. Career has had on so many now new
versus southpaw here, and you don't see what they call fencing, which is when both fighters are playing the game, Soto not really playing that game. And I would imagine that for Soto having
looking for his first victory since 2019.
Pagsapit ng round 3, kontrolado na ni Ancahas ang laban at nakapagpatama ng mga malalakas na suntok, ngunit nagpakita din ng tibay si Soto.
Round 2 began a little bit slow. We're seeing
good job here by Ancahas. What he wants anyway, into his power side. He's trying to circle out here, but he's having a hard time.
Ancahas currently ranked number 18 pounds.
Yeah, you can see here Ancahas really corralling Soto at this point. Oof, control here.
Shoot mostly the body, some good clean headshots here along the ropes. Can't underestimate the impact of what the great Manny Pacquiao's career has had on so many now new generations of young Filipino fighters. How many of them are southpaws with that same exciting style? And certainly no surprise, but it goes to show as Pacquiao has extended his reach. Still, would you call Pacquiao a few exhibitions, but focusing more on promoting now after coming up empty in the presidential election in the Philippines?
In terms of fighting
New generations of young Filipino fighters. How many of them are southpaws with that same exciting style? Certainly no surprise, but it goes to show as Pacquiao has extended his reach. Still, would you call Pacquiao semi-retired, right?
Sa round 4 umatake na si Ancahas, nagpakawala ng mabilis na kombinasyon at mukhang gusto nang tapusin ang laban.
Jamie Conlon, Israel Gonzalez.
great job in using the first set of punches to close.
Joe Arroyo, Jamie Conlon, Israel Gonzalez.
Great job in using the first set of punches to close the distance and then landing an absolute the overhead angle when you have southpaw versus orthodox.
And Israel Gonzalez.
Great job in using the first set of punches. I'm just jinxing all of the fights in the best way, I suppose.
Big left cross from Ancahas. Down goes Soto in round 4.
Mula sa isang mabilis na suntok, bumagsak si Soto, ngunit tumayo pa ito at lumaban.
Referee
Charlie Fitch giving him the standing 8 count here and continuing the action. It might not last much longer.
They're going to stop this.
Big left hands from Ancahas. Goes to the body. Soto fighting back. Looked like he was going to hold for a second. Soto fighting back. Looked like he was going to hold for a second.
Sa round 5, naghanap ng pagkakataon si Soto upang makabawi mula sa pagbagsak, habang si Ancahas naman ay naghihintay kung paano tapusin itong matigas na Colombian boxer.
Martinez at 115 pounds. It was never an easy weight. He could stay on the path to victory here against Soto. Jonathan Rodriguez. Pounds. As Ancahas stays busy.
Oh,
big left.
He's been looking for that counter too. He didn't jump in to intervene, and so they went back to boxing.
Be a borderline shot along the waist and the belt line of Soto, but area to Ancahas, maybe a little bit of payback, but this is not slowing.
This is not going to go much longer. Yeah.
Taking the knee is Soto, and that will do it. A fifth.
Sa isang malakas na body shot ni Ancahas, tungkol naman sa pinakita ni Ancahas, may tsansa pa kaya siyang maging world champion muli? Pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba at suportahan natin si Ancahas sa kanyang laban kontra kay Ponpitak ngayong September 22, 2024.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ay bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.